How long is this rope from this end to this end? I know! Let's use our paw prints to measure it. How many paw prints long is the rope? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rope is 5 paw prints long.
Let's count the paw prints.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The rope is as long as 5 paw prints. Sort the characters from shortest to tallest. Tap the green button when you're done. You put them in order. How tall is Sandy? She is as tall as how many peck toys?
2.
Sandy is as tall as 2 peck toys. How tall is Peck? He is as tall as how many peck toys?
1.
Peck is as tall as 1 peck toy. Tap the friend that is higher from the ground. Oops! Sandy is as tall as 2 toys and Peck is as tall as 1 toy. So Sandy is taller. How tall is Olo? He is as tall as how many turtles?
4.
Olo is as tall as 4 turtles. How tall is Rhea? She is as tall as how many turtles?
2.
Rhea is as tall as 2 turtles. Which friend is taller? Nice! Olo is as tall as 4 turtles, and Rhea is as tall as 2 turtles. So Olo is taller.
How long is the rope? Let's measure it using maracas. We have to make sure there are no gaps or overlaps when we measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rope is as long as 10 maracas.
How many maracas long is the rope?
10.
Tap the number. The rope is as long as 10 maracas. How many shoes long is the rope?
6.
The rope is as long as 6 shoes. How many hats long is the rope?
9. 10.
Try again.
8.
Oops!
10. 9. 8.
Now let's measure the toy box with squares.
1, 2.
The toy
3.
box is as big as 3 squares. How big is the toy box? Let's use small rectangles to measure it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You
10.
did it! The toy box is as big as 10 small rectangles. Sort the animals from tallest to shortest. You put them in order from tallest to shortest. Now listen carefully. Sort the animals from shortest to tallest. You put them in order from shortest to tallest. Sort the animals from shortest to tallest. You put them in order from shortest to tallest. Thanks for playing.
Look at this clock. The first number tells us the hour, and the second number tells us the minutes. It is 1 o'clock. Now it's 2 o'clock. Here's another type of clock. There are 12 numbers. On this clock, the small hand points to the hour, and the big hand points to the minute. Now it's 3 o'clock.
Look at the time on the pink clock on top. Which green round clock says the same time? Yay! You made the clock show 1 o'clock. Tap the green clock that says 12 o'clock. Sweet! You made the clock show 12 o'clock. Tap the green clock that says the same time as the pink clock. Sweet! You made the clock show 5 o'clock. Move the minute hand on the round clock to show 4 o'clock. Sweet! You made the clock show 4 o'clock. Make the clock show 11 o'clock. Super job! You made the clock show 11 o'clock. Make the clock show 7 o'clock. Awesome! You made the clock show 7 o'clock. Let's do some more with only one clock. Make the clock show 5 o'clock. Make the clock show 5 o'clock. You did it! You made the clock show 5 o'clock. Make the clock show 2 o'clock. Try again. Make the clock show 2 o'clock. Oops! Move the minute hand on the clock to show 2 o'clock. Great! You made the clock show 2 o'clock. Make the clock show 7 o'clock. Good work! You made the clock show 7 o'clock. Play with the clock and see how the time changes. Play with the clock and see how the time changes. Cool beans! What a fun time!
Look at this clock. The second number tells us the minutes. It is 1:30. Now check out this clock. The big hand points to the minutes. When the minute hand is here at the 12, it means the minutes are 0. Now let's move the minute hand to the 6. When the minute hand is here at the 6, it means the minutes are 30. Now it's 1:30. It's snack time! Yum!
Look at the time on the pink clock on top. Which green round clock says the same time? Yay! That clock shows 1:30. Tap the green clock that says the same time as the pink clock. Tap the green clock that says the same time as the pink clock. Great job! That clock shows 6:30. Tap the green clock that says the same time as the pink clock. Cool beans! That clock shows 4:30. Move the minute hand on the round clock to show 12 o'clock. Sweet! You made the clock show 12 o'clock. Make the clock show 3:30. You made the clock show 3:30. Make the clock show 10:30. Make the clock show. You made the clock show 10:30. Make the clock show 6:30. You made the clock show 6:30. Let's do some more with only one clock. Make the clock show 12:30. Sweet! You made the clock show 12:30. Make the clock show 9:30. Sweet! You made the clock show 9:30. Play with the clock and see how the time changes. Play with the clock and see how the time changes. Cool beans! What a fun time!
How many polka dots are on my new shirt? Let's count by color. The first is red. Let's mark it on the graph. The next dot is blue. We'll put it in the blue column. When we're done counting all the dots, the graph will look like this. There are 6 red dots, 3 blue dots, and 4 yellow dots. Most of the polka dots are red.
Let's read the graph. Which color has 3 dots? Tap the
Blue.
color. You did it! There are 3 blue dots. Which color has 6 dots?
Red.
Sweet! There are 6 red dots. Which color has 4 dots?
Yellow.
Awesome! There are 4 yellow dots. Let's use the graph with shapes. How many shapes are yellow? Use the graph to find out how many shapes of each color there are.
5.
Great! There are 5 yellow shapes. Which color has 4 shapes?
Blue.
Make sure only the correct color is selected. Which color has 4 shapes?
Red. Blue.
Good job! Which color has 3 shapes?
Yellow.
Good thinking! How many shapes are blue? Use the graph to find out how many shapes of each color there are.
5.
Cool beans! Thanks for playing with me.
Hey! A circle is one line that goes all the way around. There are no corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides are parallel. Shapes are so neat.
Put the shape into the basket with the matching shape. Yay! You sorted them by their shape. Sort them by their shape. Woohoo! You sorted them. Now listen carefully to the next instruction. Sort the shapes by their color. Sort the shapes by their colors. You sorted the shapes by color. Draw lines to connect the matching shapes. Good work! Give the circles to Olo. Great! Give the rectangles to Olo. Give the rectangles to Olo. Great job! Tap all the circles. Awesome! Find all of the rectangles. Shapes are so fun!
It's a pizza party! If we cut a pizza into 2 equal pieces, it is cut in half. Each of these 2 pieces are half of the pizza. If we cut a pizza into 4 equal pieces, it is cut into fourths. Each of these 4 pieces are a quarter of a pizza. A quarter is smaller than a half, but both taste just as good.
Can you draw your own pizza? Now can you draw only half a pizza? Now draw only a quarter of a pizza. Put different toppings on each half of the pizza.